I hope you can see this, BSR Nation. Right down there. There. See that thing? That's a great blue heron. See how tall he is? He's as tall as I am. That's his neck. And one morning I came out and he was in the Ponderosa. Yes, he was stuck in the fishing line and the net that I have stretched across the Ponderosa. So naturally, I was afraid. And then I had to get scissors and cut him loose. And he just sat there as though he expected me to do so. And then when I cut him loose, guess what he did? He walked casually into the forest. Yes, he did. He simply strolled into the forest, like Snoop Dogg. There he goes. See, he hasn't gone anywhere. He sees me and he jumped up on that tree. Now you get a better idea of how tall he is. And he'll be here for a couple of days because this is a full moon, and they hunt under the full moon. So, and they hunt at night, and apparently they also hunt during the day. So there you have it. He flew off that way, but alas, he is not gone. I will keep you posted. Stay tuned for more. Stay prayed up and stay sprayed up.